Post mo kasi sa ano, gusto pinost yung mga pinapapasok ko ng PE.
Diba? Mas maganda. Meron din kami ganun ng day job eh. Post namin sa YouTube.
Dito na...
Guys, wait nyo to sa YouTube. Siguro 10 years. Babalikan namin to 10 years. Ganyan yung YouTube ako. Babalikan namin to. Ay, papost sa YouTube sis. Para may babalikan tayo after. YouTube nila.
Develop.
Sino dito naglalaro ng Roblox? Hindi po ate. Sa mama ko is that EM11? Ayaw mo tayo natin. Guys, ayun yung mga classmate ko. Maghihiwalay-hiwalay na kami. Nakita niyo ba yan? Guys, sila yung mga Latinas sa amin. Siguro after 5 years, kapag napanood ulit namin to, may Pepe na si JM, may Buging na. Si Michael, siguro may asawa na siyang katulad kay Bretman Rock. Ay! Sobrang laki ng tita.
Siguro ako 5 years from now, nag-finger pa rin ako.
Mas masarap na yung finger mo, sis. Looking good na. Diba?
Hulaan niyo ako na saan tumbler namin.
CCA? Titin!
Siya na yung may-ari ng ano, ng Alorica.
Tagapagmana ka na ng Alorica 5 years from now. Ay, di ko alam eh, basta. Bye guys! Medyo mag-miss ko yung second year kasi sobrang hirap talaga. But, ewan ko. No. Kasi transfer student ako and sobrang na-anxious talaga ako nung nag-transfer ako. Naging easy lahat kasi sila yung naging friends and classmates. That's my idol. Fortune teller na po yun.
Even a child, you will not be good enough for someone who does not have the capacity or the will. However, this is the part we must focus on. For even a children, when you are the shining example of everything you want, when life is handing you a person, the person who is right for you will choose you, even when you do not deserve it. The person who is right for you
Left or right? Right. Ay, hindi nabasa ko na to. Isa pa. Left na lang. Puta nga ba? Ulit. Isa pa. Left. Back. Left. Left na left. Ayan.
In all honesty, I don't think the world changes. I think you change. And I don't think the messiness or the ache of living ever goes away. I don't think it ever disappears. I think you just get stronger. I think you just get better not letting the dark side hold the light. I think you just get better at not letting the chaos control you.
Oh, sobrang ganda nun, guys. Babalikan namin to pagkatapos yun. Bye na nga, guys. Maglaro kayo ng amis. Third year na kami next end. Third year na kami. Third year na kami.
Sino picture natin dito? Picture nga.